Hiccups are those annoying little spasms that can strike at the most inconvenient times. But what causes them? It all starts with the diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe. When it suddenly contracts, we inhale sharply, and that's when the vocal sheaths snap shut, creating that distinctive hic sound. Common triggers include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. While most hiccups go away on their own, persistent ones can be a sign of something more serious. So next time you hiccup, remember, it's just your body's quirky way of reminding you to slow down.